So Jaja open up heavens for me. And put his hands on me. Something ordinary eyes can see in front of my enemies. So Jaja open up a table for me. And put his hands on me.
So my first day after dropping my car off, well, the rental car off to Enterprise yesterday, and now I'm on my way to work. Sorry, I'm going to be talking to my camera if you don't mind. Okay.
Do whatever you want.
Yeah,
I don't mind.
thank you.
Are you happy? You good?
Oh, thank you. So right now I'm in the Uber. I'm on my way to work. I'm so over it. This is way easier for me than me driving. Today my neck hurts on my right side of my neck. I have to take it easy today. And yeah, this is about to be my new season and the start to something new. My new life and my new journey. I like Teslas. They're really nice. Really, really nice cars. Love it. I'm taking the bus now. I'm really doing this. Oh, no way about it. I feel like I shouldn't drive because things are just so expensive. Driving right now is more expensive than taking the bus. I need some time to think about it, so I just messaged my guy who helps me with the insurance to see if there's an option to hold off on this month so I can figure out things, like figure out what I want to do moving forward. So I don't know if I want to get another car. Like, I really have anxiety, like even right here where my neck is and things, like it hurts so much. Like, I don't know what to do. I'm just saying, like, I'm actually so nervous. It just hurts so bad. And I refuse to drive again. There's so much reasons. Like, even today, the Uber driver who was driving me, like, he was honking, getting so upset and things like that. It just reminds me why I don't want to drive. And it's so crazy because I was just talking about not driving earlier, and now it's really happening, you know? This is the bus is gonna be here 1 minute. Let's see. Hold on, let me get my mic because we have to talk about this. I'm actually not gonna be complaining, but I'm in the subway and someone is like blasting music on a real like huge speaker. And then he had the audacity to come sit behind me. But right now I'm just waiting for the bus. It's still saying 7 minutes and it's been like 10 minutes so far. I think I'm gonna buy a bucket hat so I can hide myself underneath it. Either I buy a bucket hat, like an oversized bucket hat, or I wear one of my cabs because I really do not want to be seen. I just want to be quiet in the bus and mind my business. Yeah, just still figuring things out. I realized that I don't have no water on me and I'm so freaking thirsty. I need some water. I'm just telling myself, like, I don't think I'm gonna get another car. Like, I'm really thinking about it, like, heavy. I don't even want to pay finance. I don't want to do none of that shit. I just want to have a car and just pay for the insurance. Yeah, we're gonna get through this. We will definitely we will get through this, and I'm not worried at all.
Shut up, Bella, shut up, guys, shut up, anything that's gonna last. Lost my hold on you. Got no friends.
Obviously, when you wake up in the morning, it's still gonna be like flat, like this, right?
Yeah.
So even like that, like it's fine. So to brush it, don't brush it up straight like this, more to the side. By the time you get to your tail, like brush it towards your temple. And then to make it look more uniform, just like brush it up like this. Do you have brow gel?
That one I do, yeah.
You look fire.
Yes.
Like this.
Got it.
There you go.
I still want to do the shebang next time. So
I know, you would love it, I think.
Yeah.
You would.
Don't get me wrong, this is beautiful. But I can see the vision if I did the full thing.
Yes. But I think it would have been better
so cute.
instead of like the tint, because at least this one will last you longer.
Really?
This is so pretty. This is so cute. Yeah, this is what I needed. I was so over my brows. I need like a whole change in my face. You guys, this is so perfect. This is beautiful.
Of what I've done.
Give me the confidence I need because I just feel so uncomfortable. You guys already know me in mirrors. Like, look at this. So I'm gonna just take a walk. It's weird to see where my friend lives. If I can find a place where I can get some food, I will get some food. I think I know this place, but I don't know. I just got to Ace Beauty Bar and I'm about to get lip filler. You guys, I don't know where I'm going. After my car accident, I was like, you know what? I need to change. Like, I need to do a little oomph. Even though life's hard right now, when it comes to my looks, I don't give a damn. I can have my last coin. I'm gonna get my looks together, okay? So this is my first time. I'm actually doing it with Nurse Lisa. So let's see how it goes. I'm so nervous. I'm so scared. Because like, I don't know what to expect, you know? So I'm a little bit early. I'm like 10 minutes early. So I'm like, okay, that's perfect. I thought I was gonna be late, but I'm not. So thank God. So yeah, so we're about to go in there and see. But anyways, let me show you guys my lips before, okay? Before and after. So this is before. Oh, I love my lips, don't get me wrong, but I want the top part to be a little thicker. You know, just a little thick. Ew. I'm here relaxing. Oh my god, the music. I don't want to get copyrighted, but anyways, I just met one of the girls. This is her card. She says she does like laser hair removal and things like that. So I think the next time I do come here, I am definitely gonna book her to do everything I want. So you guys, I'm just waiting. I'm so nervous though, I'm not gonna lie. My list is about to change. Yes, I'm so scared. Hello, this is Nurse Lisa.
Hi. You have a really nice body.
Thank you.
And I love this. This is butter, right? Has to be butter.
I don't even know. I just got it from Urban Planet, but the quality for this one is really, really good.
I buy the ones from Mauritius and it feels exactly like this, like very soft.
It's crazy. That's why I said it felt like Lululemon a little bit too, but it's actually crazy. Just $20 each, so $40.
Oh wow.
Yeah, this one,
That
really
looks
good.
good.
Thank you.
Okay, so lip fillers.
Yeah. Sorry.
We're gonna
Okay.
make some corrections.
Mm-hmm.
Your bottom is nice.
Yeah,
even
my
though
bottom.
I'm gonna touch it up a little bit because anytime we touch up the bottom, we have to touch up anytime we touch up the top, we have to touch up the bottom a little bit. But I'm gonna focus mainly on your top. So when you smile big. I'm gonna fill the corners more so because your middle here is heavier. You have volume in the middle, so we're just gonna focus more on making that correction.
So my question to you is, because I actually I like the plump look. I don't know if I should still keep the 1 milliliter or just change it to the 0.5.
0.5 might be too small for your lips because your lips are naturally bigger. There's a lot of space. So I would say minimum 0.7 for you.
Okay.
0.5 is like very small. You can do a little
Just
bit
do the
more.
1 ml.
Yeah.
Yeah, keep it
I
like
think
that. Yeah.
yeah.
Dun, dun, dun.
Wipe your gloss off. This is the numbing cream.
Okay.
We're gonna leave it on for minimum 15 to 20 minutes. And
I got into a car accident last month.
oh my gosh,
And
I'm so sorry to hear.
It's okay. Lately, I just haven't been feeling like myself. I just want a whole different look. So like I just got my nails done yesterday. I wanted to do my lip. Then I'm gonna get my hair done next week. I never thought about it. Some girls, when I watch their videos and stuff like that, I see their lips very plump and full. But I was never thinking about lip filler. I don't know why, ever.
Because you
So,
have
like,
bigger lips. You have nice lips.
yeah, so I was like, why is it so plump like that? Like, I have big lips. I always overdrop my lips too, right? To make it bigger. But I'm like, wait, is it lip filler? I'm like, it's lip filler. So then I search, and I see the other person. And I'm like, oh, this is Lisa. I go with how I feel about the person, and I just ended up choosing you.
Tuesday.
I'm so nervous now. You're stressed ball. So good.
So fresh, so plump, so clean.
Oh, these look good. Like more plump. That's what I wanted.
Kissy. Yeah, it looks so.
Lips are so pretty, you guys. Like, what? Miss Lisa did that. And you know what's so crazy? I didn't even know that it would help with my gummy smile. I didn't know when you get lip filler, it can help with your gummy smile. Everyone knows I have the gummiest smile on this planet. Literally, right now I'm swollen, but like literally, she made it cover it up.
Really gonna affect your eye too dry. Period.
Madame Mona Lisa, 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 Madame Mona Lisa. Baby, feel my command, be like zombie. Go down on me, oh, with your coca body. Feel my command, be like zombie. Go down on me, oh, with your coca body. Cause this your milky for front enough for me. Hold on for me, I no go to me corny. And if you're milky na fighty, I saw me. Then like honey, oh baby, smile your dick.
Can't put nothing on my lips. This sucks. But
It's so messy today, but me and my sister and my cousin, we're about to go to Cactus Club. We're about to go to Cactus Club today. The weather is 28, so I'm like, ooh, it's about to be a vibe out there. My outfit, I'll show you guys later. I just put on something super quick. I couldn't put like no lipstick, lip liner, nothing on my lips because my lips are still healing from lip filler. So far, so good. It's like swollen, but I don't feel it as much. But my lips are so big, but they look so juicy. I literally look like a breast. Here's good. Thank you. Thank you. Ooh, we just got to Cactus. You okay? Yeah, Cactus now.
Another banger. Make a boom,
We're literally watching the game at Cactus Club. Still watching the game, Canada versus South Africa. Finally! Wow! Wow!
together.
I know.
Come on, you can do it.
That's okay, don't worry.
Oh, this is fun.
You want to go to the bar again?
Yeah. No, for Friday when I'm outside.
The
Ghana one, yeah. I'm outside.
inside and watch it.
What a fun day, guys. Fun day.
Fun-filled day.
Literally.
Memories, guys. Right? I'm even happy because this.
My phone's even dying, guys.